too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankamukashos ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is F𝒊res One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
For me, Obibia Aquaba a day about too much age as so. Ghana Wahala Jumete and a bread as a Samuson for Munia by a PSC Kappa, and then so may they ever some asher for any till for the 18 years or so. Yen a cheswa de Biara Edda. Now, yam Papa Wonable Kennedy Agyapong MP for Asen Central. What in Simbi Ababa to a year Edda was said the Ghana, yea, Noma SCF, they said the Noma Elcosona a year abro a year or so. Now, or no enqua and I will bet me I can sense when him said, a Ghana Hanomo dear, or not so one can. All my as no my shine or say, I will not be silenced on this. It is becoming too much. We any a yen and someone would deal to a year age. Now, didn't know what I and say way in our say. Yen your ma elcosom say about to ever coswa now be when your posters. Now for year MPP, NDC, CPP, PNDC, need a year, only not just now one more a year, Eddie, a year on now wait the need Yakotariha, now waiting Yakotariha, now waiting Yabaha, now waiting a yard also. The important one more cramponum. Posters are Ajay him, a year, a one no. Who say a yard also, a year amateur, a Ghana crampon, whom fast with Dibia, a war a yes, and your manusum, into a wish to say, ye see, and in a pump for one more Ebema woman, ada a year a one. Now, and your ma elcono, woman to me ashe, now a beer more ansuno, a batuano, it's me, I yes, a year kakra, a wo a year mu or same. I'm not satisfied with the way and manner in which posters are being decorated on walls in my constituency and from my observation some other constituencies in the country it's high time campaign needs to be made with an open forum instead of posters being used by candidates we and some of the and no what also be more same. I choose we give those money used in printing posters to help the charity instead of using our hard-earned money to be used as posters, which later makes walls in the constituency vetting. I will be the one to talk on this matter. It is becoming too much. Posters are all over the place, and it keeps me worried. Why? I don't just understand. The EC can do something about this. When they educate the electorate well, there will be no need for candidates to educate the electorate with posters. The television is a suitable medium, I think. We ended some of the etu eja emma okuko piemu ewo eye Oman FM. Now, what in some way to a jawochimu say posters yadosun campaign baba bedra na sabato babedra ube nani amanyoko we amanyoko bi amanyoko si nani oma ye posters no womu dia tare dan constituency any de keka ho abato ni beko na bi na afi dan wa ye tan wo ho aye tan afifi mo aye tan constituencies mu aye nwura tantan ni nyina posters na wo susem sika no say ye be jai posters na sika ye de print ye de printing posters no say ye be jai na ye de aboa ewisia ni inyanka ewo empotemu ho anase wo man no emu a ebetimi aboa amoman no atumpom na ebiemu nsusu no osusu say isi ebetimi aye ensakraye maame Mrs. Jemensa say wa brasa say yi no say isi penny so betimi aye ensakraye ewo electorate anase abato won sensem enwo a enu betimi aboam emma eye enkrofo wo mo ejina ewo wo mo empotamo no wo mo hu ne se posters mom ene betimi ama enkrofo adwen asesam na emom mo betimi ayiso eye television as a medium a wo mo betimi dia ye wo mo e campaign ene ne ekeka eye ehun na posters ne de wosusu se e wo se sakraye embrem na sanya wo no ene beka obi eni wo no mo a wo beka eye saa ensem we esan so wo no de wo no oka eye de yankofo eye de esom anase se wono wanka enya de se obia ebetimi akanti susu an na wodi eba bonti se eye wo mo beye sa ehihye no na etimi abase de be ya wo man no ene constituencies a akeka no emu betimi adini na emu ensusu ebetimi ayeye na wodi se we atu edwa na dodo na se ampa wona bodie ene yaka no se nyansa eni bakofo etirimu dodo na susu se eye posters a wo mo eye na ma wo mo enya abato na so di film ena eba wo menum na no kore pan se de eye wono aboka no na no de binum krampo eka se mampani kra na se mpanifo a wo mo pre mampani akonya no krampo no eni kwan se billboards ne de keka ho no krampo no wo mo eye bi se sika nam wo mo ede ye billboards ne de keka ho wo mo bitimi de aboa ama imputuduma akoso se sika no ya de build infrastructure ebetimi aboa ama omanyi etimi etumpon eba na ejuma semu ene ne ekeka eye ehun enti we de wonabo wakasa ye odo say dodo na su say wo pekasa ene de ekeka ho na bibi ekowu a egi se bekra na so ne nsem we ya wo de ababetu idwe waka eye nyansa sempa wo susu se ehun benya se wo mo ebe eye de ebe fam aja se comment ni de dodo na susu se nyansa wo aba ewom enti yemfa enye afutu na no na ebinum nso eka ne se etu wo pa je se wo no wonye posters ni bia na se na nsen ya na se ebi afi mu a wanye bi enti e na wo kasa se de be ya enkrofo ebetimi aye de eja de wo mo eye no na nso so eye de ya enye obi wo no ma wonim de wo standing e de ama MPP amanyoko e na wonim de wo standing e de ama NDC amanyoko wonim ha ne se wo te constituency wonom asa ebi obi wo no ma ne fie TV ni wo enti wo mo de wo susu se posters no eno a na ebeboa na abusuafo wo hwe ye mbaba wonabo Kennedy Agyapong nsebodi atude ya enya ne kwanso no ana wo mfunso bi ewom for wade nche no ebra otuma GH your comment section na ebiemo like videos no share all the social media platform eso meeting at the equity kapa listening you must share
the major prophet kum chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyane bonne pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyame no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura